I can't go online without seeing Maniology's advertisement for their free stamping starter kit. There are 5 you can choose from, but I chose Forever Young. I figured I might as well try it. It's only like $7.99 for shipping. So this is the kind of package it'll come in, all the way from Hawaii. There's this squishy thing that I was confused about at first. I was like, is this some kind of nail tool or whatever? But I ended up looking it up and it's candy, so you can eat it. It will come with your printed receipt and any other items that you may have ordered. These ones were like 99 cents on clearance, so I went ahead and ordered some extras. Alright, so let's break into the Forever Young Maniology's Stamping Starter Kit. The box itself is pretty cute. On the back, it gives simple directions: scrape, stamp, and swoon your way to self-expression, just with the basic instructions. We'll open this up, and the first thing you'll notice are the 2 stamping plates that it comes with. They have the protective film over the top so they didn't get scratched on the way. There are big and small designs on here, so I'm excited to try them out. There's a little instruction manual that's included in the package. On the back, it tells you how to properly prep your stamper. It tells you to work quickly as the stamping polish dries quickly. Only use pure acetone on your stamper plates and never on the stamper, and you should unlock your creativity. It comes with a scraper card, which is smaller than I thought it would be, but there's nothing wrong with that. It's pretty flexible. It'll do its job. Here's the clear stamper. I'm super excited to try. I like when it's see-through so you can really see where you're going to be stamping. And I do like that it comes with a lid to protect the squishy stamper, because I often don't have a lid on mine or have it sealed away at all, so it just ends up ruined. And finally, it comes with 2 stamping polishes. You don't get to select the color, but I was happy with the ones I received. They have these little swatch me stickers on the top, so I guess let's swatch it. The brush is kind of smaller than I expected, but it should work fine. I'm going to take some of the polish and apply it onto the swatch me lid across the white and the black so we can see how it dries over both. I'm curious to see if it'll dry true to color. In case you're wanting to know, this color is called Indicon. And this white one is called Bam! White. We'll let these dry while we do everything else and see how well they compare to the color it looks in the bottle. Then I went ahead and prepped the stamper. You do that by taking some warm water and some dish soap and just gently cleaning the surface. You don't want to be too rough. Next, you're going to want to gently towel dry it with a paper towel. Just kind of squish it in there. Don't rub it back and forth or it could tear the stamper. It's pretty easy to pop back into the stamper holder. Just be sure to be careful so you're not tearing the edges. You always want to clean your stamper with tape. I didn't have Scotch tape, so I just used this packaging tape. I had to get some paper towel lint off of there. In my last video, I reviewed Kiss's $12 at-home dip powder system, so I'll be stamping on top of that. I love this sound. Like I said before, it comes with large and small elements that you can stamp on your nail. Some words, some little pieces, and some full nail stamps. I broke into the blue first because I figured that would show up on camera better. I tried going for one of these words and I scraped it, which was fine. I probably didn't work as quickly as I should have. Also, I'm used to just stamping straight down, but after watching videos, I found that you should roll it across. Stamping also takes some practice. Anyway, it didn't get much of the word, and I wasn't going to put that on my nail, so I took some tape and removed it. You'll want to use pure acetone to clean your stamping plates because other acetones you get from the store just have a bunch of fillers, and it's not as effective. Unfortunately, later I found out after recording that I had some filming issues, so anyway, I went ahead and painted my nail with the blue polish, let it dry, and then put the star stamp over it, and it worked out fine. Here I am trying one of the smaller elements. There, see, I remembered to roll, but I was so excited that I remembered to roll that I didn't position it in the center, but it turned out well. Next, I tried this design, which actually turned out pretty well. I couldn't get to read really well on camera, but it did a good job. I'm usually hesitant to try ones that have intricate details because they often just smudge and don't come out well, but I was happy with this one. I tried out the white with this design, and again, it has smaller, finer lines, and it came out well. This one was kind of like a spotted line. I thought it was interesting, so I went ahead and tried it. Came out pretty good. I went ahead and tried a word again because I figured before it was just user error. And the word hope came out pretty well. Of course, you'd want to clean up all those extra pieces that the stamper picked up. I tried some of the big and small designs, so I went ahead and called it good. The colors were actually pretty true, especially the white. The blue dried a little bit darker than it looks in the bottle, but that's okay. I wasn't disappointed at all. Not much to say about the stamper swipe card. I mean, it works. Overall, I was pretty happy with this nail stamping starter kit from Maniology. It's a really nice, simple, easy way to get introduced to nail stamping. If you see the advertisement where it's free and you just have to pay for shipping, I'd say go ahead and try it, especially if you're a beginner. It's a lot cheaper than paying for like a $20 set of plates and then getting everything else. The normal price for these starter kits is $18.99, which again isn't that bad. If you want to see other product reviews like this one or want general beauty advice, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you'd like to know, and I'll see you next time.